Today we shall talk about the types of solar panels. To keep the video short and to the point, let's start the topic. There are three types of solar panels currently available in market. These are monocrystalline solar panels, polycrystalline solar panels, and thin layer or thin film solar panels. Solar panels are also known as PV panels, photovoltaic panels, as they are made up of PV cells connected together in series. In this short video, you will learn about the differences and the suitability of them for a particular use. Solar panels are made up of variation of silicon. So the differences between solar panels is due to the purity of the silicon. Their useful life can go up to 25 to 30 years, but their efficiency could go as low as 80% of their initial efficiency. Different manufacturers offer 10 to 25 years warranties on their solar panels. Efficiencies of solar panels depend on the purity, but to increase the silicon purity, the cost of production increases. Selection of solar panels does not always depend on the efficiency criteria. Now let's quickly start with monocrystalline solar panels. Cells are made of monocrystalline silicon and also called single crystalline silicon. And how they could be identified? Monocrystalline silicon solar cells are not perfectly rectangular and can be identified by diamond shape spread over the panel, and also by an external even coloring and uniform look. What are their properties? They have got highest efficiency rates among all the solar panels, which is around 15 to 20%. Till date, the best efficiency is less than 22%. It means they need less space for same amount of output. Monocrystalline solar panels are expensive because of purity of silicon, more work involved, and also the waste generated during production. If the monocrystalline solar panel is partially covered by shade due to any reason, the life can drastically reduce. If the temperature of monocrystalline solar panel increases due to extreme hot weather, the efficiency of the panel reduces. So this is brief about monocrystalline solar panels. Now we discuss about polycrystalline solar panels. Cells are made of poly or multicrystalline silicon. Raw material means raw silicon is melted, poured into square mold and cut into square wafers. How they could be identified? In polycrystalline solar panels, multiple lines could be seen. The color of the panel is not uniform and the cells are perfectly rectangular. And what are their properties? They have got less efficiency compared to monocrystalline solar panels, which is around 13 to 16%. They need more space for the same amount of output. Polycrystalline solar panels are less expensive because of simplicity in production and less waste generated during production. Same as monocrystalline, if the polycrystalline solar panel is partially covered by shade due to any reason, the life can drastically reduce. The high temperature affects polycrystalline solar panel more than monocrystalline solar panels. Not only their efficiency reduces, but the lifespan also shortens. So this is about polycrystalline solar panels. Now we discuss about our last type of solar panels, which is thin layer or thin film solar panel. One or several layers of PV material is deposited on some material. It could be plastic, metal or glass. The photovoltaic material is not necessarily silicon material here. How they could be identified? They are smoother in look, no multiple lines, no diamond shapes and smooth color, and can be made flexible as well. What are their properties? Their efficiency is about 7 to 13% only. They are lighter in weight and easy to install. In near future, the efficiency of this type is expected to increase. They are cheaper than mono and polycrystalline solar panels. They are less affected by high temperature and shadow on part of solar panels. They are cheap but same amount of power to produce. They need more space than mono and polycrystalline solar panels. Also, their life is lesser than mono and polycrystalline solar panels. So this concludes our today's topic of types of solar panels. Thank you very much.